All right, let's take a peek. 1949 Chevy. Yeah, so these little pieces I needed to get in here just to block this off. So obviously all that's shiny new. Each side, all four corners. I had to do that separately. I just couldn't figure out how to build the whole tub and bring those down. So there, all that's blocked off. All that's blocked off. We had some peekaboo pass-throughs where we had to raise that floor. We just blocked those off. We cut that brace out of there and we bulked everything up here. I've shown that before, discussed that before. So that's kind of there. This floor brace, because the way everything took off from this point back, I went ahead and cropped this, fitted it in there. So that's all good. Everywhere that we lapped and plug welded on the other side, we went ahead and trimmed back, pecked it down, and just put some spot welds in to keep everything kind of sealed together. This is done. There might be some little things that we have to wrap up after it gets blasted, a hole here, a perforation there, whatever. It's done. Now this is the next thing. Kind of agonized over this issue. This is a cross member. All this we're going to take out. I got to keep that stand off, so I'm just going to cut that there. This was for a different transmission setup. It doesn't work. So this is a cross member that I came up with. Carry everything. I used that center section I used from the original. So I've got to drop it out of there so I can finish welding it up now. And then when all that's said and done, what I got to do is I take a 1/2 inch drill bit and I got a square, but I got to cut through that. And once I get cut through that, I've got some 1/2 inch OD tubing, and I'll section it into the frame, weld it, metal finish both sides, so it's a crush for all three of those bolts. Best method, I don't know, but this was the best, quickest circumstance I could come up with for this situation, for this old 4L80. Flat pieces are easier for me to work with and deal with than tubing. I tried tubing and I failed utterly at that attempt to be something more than what we got. So that's going to hold the transmission up. I'm satisfied that that's going to do the job.